what happened was, my goddaughter called me up. She said, Super, Mom's birthday is coming up next month. She says, why don't you guys come with a little surprise? I said, cool, let's make it happen. Hey, these kids are ecstatic. They're happy that it's snowing outside. Cookie is over there pulling
out her jacket.
Next stop, rent a car.
That snow is cold, man. It makes your hand cold fast. Oh, it'll be more slippery, but it's not.
Ow!
Okay, we pulling up out this bit right now. Let's ride out, baby. Going right now to take a look at our room. We can't get in our room right now because check-in time is 4. It's like 3:10 right now, but we're gonna go and check and take a look. I think we go through here, y'all. What's the room number, Sam? 218? That's 257 through. My ears is cold. What's our room number?
218.
Oh my god, I'm literally almost slippery. It's slippery.
We made it. So we're not that far. See you in 45 minutes. 45 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we out. It's cold as hell. Hey, Sam. I think the pool is heated. What's up? Oh.
I almost just slipped right here.
It's heated, baby. Dang, bro.
Oh, there's ice. Oh my gosh.
All right, come on. All right, Z. Hey, y'all, her hand's gonna freeze. Her hand's gonna freeze off. It's the whirlpool, hot or not.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot. Deep, my feet are in the snow. Is it hot?
Very cold. Okay, so far, dude, I'm digging where we at. We at Walmart. I promise you, everything is over here. Whole Foods, gas station. Where the gas station at? The gas station across the street. There's Target, Office Max, Ross, PetSmart, Famous Footwear. We good. They said there ain't no food. We finna go in here. We're gonna see. These people seem to have come out empty-handed. Is there food inside? Is there food inside, son? You think so? All the meat is gone. The only thing that's left is the Impossible Burgers. This they water out. They got no water. So what we finna do right now is I have to focus. We gonna cut to back at the place getting in our apartment. Hey, this is worse than the pandemic. The moment that we've been waiting for. Will we have electricity? Will we have water? What's this noise? Whoa.
Whoa.
This is
Huge.
nice. Man, this is like a little mini house.
We made it to our casa. We good. We got lights. I feel the heat in here. They left the heat on and they kept it nice and warm for a player. Let's give this a check right here. Water check. Whoa.
What?
No water, dude. Wow.
Maybe the water froze.
Try the shower.
Well,
Just turn it, yeah. Don't pull it, just turn it. Whatever.
That's not the one that you're supposed to use it for.
Wow. That's it. Right now as we speak, we got no water.
The sink doesn't work.
The shower
doesn't work. And the toilets don't flush.
We talked to the maintenance guy, the maintenance man, and the maintenance man seems to be under the impression that we're going to have water. But I think he's just talking for real, for real.
So, alright, so right now it's 27 degrees. At 10 o'clock tonight, it's gonna be 24. The lowest it's gonna be tonight is 22 at 3.
22 degrees?
Yeah, that ain't too bad.
No, that's not too bad because we've been in that weather today and it wasn't too bad, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Now, if you stood out there for long enough, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, at first I was like, oh, okay, that's fine. And then when we was at the store, I'm like, woo, I was freezing.
Was you?
Today 29, tomorrow the high is 33, the next day 38,
See?
next day 42, and then Sunday 54.
See?
It's going to be 64 next week here.
What is freezing?
Freezing?
Yeah.
I think 32.
Yeah, 32
That's
degrees.
like the refrigerator. Let me see what the setting is on the refrigerator.
So 32 degrees is,
I think it's 32. It's freezing.
so 32 degrees is freezing.
Yeah.
What you said the weather gonna be tomorrow?
What's the
36,
temperature?
I think that's
36. Is it gonna be 36 tomorrow? The good news, I'm just hoping.
33.
I'm hoping and praying that we only deal with this for, like, if we spend the night and we wake up to water.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or if we have water sometime tomorrow.
Right.
We came to a state to kick it and to hang out,
And we have no water.
and we got no water.
No drinking water. No water in
It
the
ain't
sink. No shower. There's not one guys. Look at this. One bottle of water. You know how you can usually go to the front and find them in like the frozen, like, or the little freezers? No, all they had was seltzer water. That was it. That's the closest to water you were gonna get. Yeah, it was bad. Never seen anything like that before.
You still excited though about the trip?
Yeah, I'm having a great time.
All right, y'all. Just wanted to give you guys an update, let y'all know what's cracking, lacking, what's going on.
Nice
And,
to meet you.
we're gonna get with y'all tomorrow. Next video, we're gonna do a room tour. We're gonna do an apartment tour, a Dallas apartment tour tomorrow. All right. Hey.